These the standard settings. Go there. Next, look, we'll increase the battery. And as silly as it sounds, in the battery section, there's a section like this on all phones. You do it. Unfortunately, you won't find anything here. There are no settings here that will increase the battery icon. It's located specifically in the display section. But look, in most cases, this is where I went and you need to find the control center and the control and status.Customize. If you don't see this line on your screen, then look for it through the settings search or just somewhere separately. So it says copy is it says call center and the issue and status bar. Click here and right here we'll see that there's a battery indicator. And by default in almost all models it's inside the icon. So what does this mean? Here we have a small battery, and inside this battery we see how many percent is left already, and it will be shaded a little more. That is how much is left. Now what do? Go to the battery indicator, and here we have a choice. That is, you can completely shade it without the numbers like this. And there's a third value that I recommend. This is when the battery is shown separately and the percentage is also shown separately. And now look, we have this value, the one in the middle, middle. Now see how much it changes. Let me bring it a little closer for you. Pay attention to the current in terms of size. And now I'll change it to this. And look, it's increased by about 3 times. Not only is the battery itself larger, it's now easier to see how much of the percentage is shaded. Yes, and the numerical value is also much larger, and even the percentage is shown. It's already better than before. Yes, the increase right now isn't much, but it has happened. And someone will say, yes, this is a pittance. This is very little. I need it even bigger. I want it to increase by 2 or 3 times, in addition to the fact that now we have already achieved some result.